So here we've got a stunning crown, 1956, beautiful, but it lacks something. There's dirt on this coin. Generally this coin would go for a grading, probably come back with a nice grade on it, but it's really not that attractive because of the dirt that sits on it. And I'll just demonstrate the amount of dirt that sits on it. You'll notice that there's a tone to the coin. It's got some bluish and slightly like a real light blue tint to it, and gold and so on. So it's a blotchy toning on both sides, and that's what it looks like. The idea is to show you here as to how the product works, and not removing toning on a coin, existing toning, but would basically remove the dirt of it. So let's carry on. We'll follow the same procedure. It's a bigger coin, so I'll just put 2 or 3 drops on there as well, and that should suffice. And now I just do the same that I've done with the other coins. And here you will see the gray picking up on the surface and a slight hint of green that comes off the coin surface. So I actually apply the coin conservation fluid to any and all silver coins that I might intend to dip if I want to remove toning. For the simple reason, we are first removing any dirt that sits on the surface that could hamper the chemical, very popular E-Zest in South Africa. Quite expensive, but works extremely well. The best product there is, in my opinion. So if you do this with a coin preservation liquid, you're actually neutralizing the surface of this coin in such a way that if you actually dip this after, you will end up with a beautiful, beautiful coin. Trust me. Much better than if you have had it just go take a swim in the dipping fluid. You can see the dirt and the crap coming off in the coin from here. So remember, we're taking off dirt. We're not taking off any of the actual toning on the coin. And after this, we will have a look at what the coin looks like with the toning, and then we'll strip it down in the next video. Excuse the ting. We'll strip it down in the next video with a E-Zest bath. So again, that side, and you'll see there's a big difference. If you might not see it right now, but you'll pick it up right after we've done this section as well. You can see the change in the color. And this is not the toning that's so much coming off, it's actually the dirt of the coin. You can see here behind the neck, there's a little blotchy gold, and here at the bottom end. And it's not going anywhere, it just stays there. We're just removing the dirt layer that sits on top of this coin. And I'm not causing any harm to this coin whatsoever by doing this. Just always be careful. If you do, you may pick up dirt from your surrounding and whatever else. You know, you never know if there's a grain of sand or anything lying around. So make sure that your area, work area, is clean, dust free, at least to an extent. You don't need to to go into a laboratory for this, but you know, just be cognizant of your surroundings and what you've got lying around and so on. So this particular coin, I've now done both ends. I'll follow the previous route, pick it up, we'll dab it, and it's now more or less dry, I would say. Yes, it is. And now we can have a look and see the difference. No trickery here, guys. Same coin, same everything, but now you can see actually how beautiful this piece is as a slightly toned coin. So I'll move on to the next terrible coin just to show, and then we'll come back to this coin. I'm going to, in the middle of somewhere in the videos, just simply dip this coin and see what it looks like, because I can.